Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about velocity and the acceleration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that if we want to find about Vt, we need to do about the integration of it in here, because we know that it that is about first derivative of Vt. So if we want to find the function Vt in here, so we need to put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have Vt, and now we have this function in here. So that means we have the integration of 2ti dt plus the integration of sin t dt. I will put in here, try in here, and the next one we have the integration of cosine 2t dt, and I will put k in here. So the integration of 2t, we have t squared plus c. This one we will have about negative cosine t plus c in here. And the next one we have 1/2 sin 2t plus c, and we have k. Now we have the condition. So for this one we have number 1. That means when t equals to number 0, c equals to number 1 in here. This one we have number 2. So I will put number 0 cone here. So we have negative number 1. So c in here should be equals to number 3, because 3 minus 1 we have number 2. So I will put number 0 cone here. So this one you got 0. So c in here equals to negative number 1. And now we have the final answer in here. And this one that is about Vt. This is the end. Thank you for watching.